I was thinking that at least I tell you that it is the Som, Om, and giving you all four aspects. One aspect which very lightly I will mention here is to help people. Those who are deprived, that is called Dan in our scriptures. Help always others. When you help, it is nice. And when you help, your energy is different. You expand. And when you demand, you shrink. Your energy goes inside. So this is one thing, to become one with the society, to one with the universe. If there is a tree in my courtyard, if I give water, the tree also grows and he comes near me and I can get more shadow and I can be together. And if I don't give water, the tree will die. And then the tree is separated, I am separated, and then I don't get the shadow also and the fruits also. Giving is always very important, and particularly the real wealth in the universe is the trees, are the trees. The greenery is the main. So we understand that it is very important to worship the trees, worship the greenery, and be always together sometime. Look to a tree. Maybe what he is thinking, you also try to think. Maybe you look to the flowers, you look to the fruits or enjoy. But the tree is the wealth first earth has given us. Everything comes from the earth only. As I said, the human body also has come. The diamonds also come out, the mineral oil or diesel oil or whatever comes out. Everything from the earth, but the first appearance is a small sprout of green tree. And that is very much to understand. And therefore, we call it a Mother Earth, and the nature we learn to honor. And this prayer in the morning, we always say that I want to get down from the bed, so I am going to touch you by feet, so please pardon me. This is the first prayer we do, and start your day, if you don't know other prayers. But look, you can find so many nice things with everybody in the house, everybody in the country, everybody in the world. Everything is so beautiful. So many people criticize that, what is this synthetic you are wearing? I say, synthetic is good. 4 days if I don't wash, it doesn't spoil. I am washing every day, but I am telling you. The idea is that synthetic has its own advantage. When we go for touring, we wash our own things. So just wash after the bathroom, hang it over, by afternoon you come, it is dry and nice. The problem is, nothing there is to criticize. This is the principle. We must learn. Everything is nice. If it is, my father used to say, when he used to take 5 teaspoons of sugar in a glass of milk, and the spoon should stand. Standing spoon, we call it sugar. Morning, evening, same. 10 teaspoons like this, and then afternoon, if there are sweets, 5, 10 motichur. So what when sometime the sugar has put little less, he will ask my mother or my wife, when Veena was giving, he say, after this, can I go to the market and bring some sugar? Why? There is sugar. No, I thought because in the cup it is little less, so thought that sugar. You don't say why you have put less sugar and this and this and this. The idea behind it is that it is, and after drinking the milk only he will tell. He will not ask first that sugar is less, bring. As it is, whatever is there. Salty little, eat. I say, it is very salty. कितना मीठ नमक डाल दे तो भैया थोड़ा कम डालो. तो रहने दो सर, मैं दूसरा बना देता. नहीं नहीं, अभी जो आया है वो तो अच्छा है. लेकिन learn to make it properly, whatever things you make. So this is very important to understand. And by the way, I wanted to tell you again this, it is not in our program just now, that I heard today also somebody saying that this is a poison, white poison. Please don't go under anybody's influence. Neither they have cooked any time, neither they have farmed, neither they have seen a sugar factory, and nothing they know. Just tell something to the people. Why? Which is white sugar? Who has proved? Where is the paper? Who has done the research? The research, when they did a little bit, it was the white sugar made from the roots. And it is not a sugar cane. The sugar cane, white sugar, is a life force. I tell every diabetic person also that at least in a day, 1 or 2 teaspoons sugar you consume, otherwise the diabetes will never get cured. If you are thinking of curing the diabetes, not controlling, because the body traits in the intestine, sugar is a celebration food. I went different countries and asked the old people there that what you give when somebody dies in the house. Still they distribute sweets only. Now, if somebody died, you give sweet or what? You should give some bitter thing. But nobody does. Marriage sweet, birthday sweet, cake sweet, chocolate sweet, dying sweet. So sweet is a real juice, a real food of the universe. And now in this sweet you stop, means the energy will go away. And diabetes, we have a habit of digesting sugar in our traits, and we should not lose them. As it is, they are not working, so the sugar is saturated in the blood. That is called diabetes. It is not absorbed by the body. And if you stop, then the body will never know what is sugar. The last thing is vegan. Honey, milk, sugar. Honey and sugar are same. But honey has enzymes, sugar has no enzymes. Milk and ghee, they have enzymes also. And it has sugar also, calcium also, everything. And these two things, please never stop. If you don't digest milk, ask the Ayurvedic doctor how it is to be digested. But don't stop. And if you don't digest milk, eat ghee. If you don't digest ghee, then eat yogurt or whatever. The idea is that please understand, this just has come on the way.